Hello guys, let's discuss this problem. In this problem, what you need to do here, you need to evaluate the value for both of these expressions. And to make use of identities, what you're going to do here, let's consider our first problem, which is 598 cube. And you can write this as 600 minus 2 whole cube. Now in this expression, you can always make the use of identity. And which identity you are going to use to expand this expression? A minus b whole cube. And you know the expanded form for a minus b whole cube, which will be a cube minus b cube minus 3a into b into a minus b. So let's apply that expanded form here and replace the value of a and b with the value of 600 and 2. In the expanded form, we have replaced the value of a and b and you are getting this expression. Let's solve this expression further. You'll get this. After solving this further, what you'll get, as you can see here, this is 600 cube. This is minus 8. When you'll multiply 3600 with 600, what you'll get? You'll get 3600 into 600 minus, when you'll multiply this 2 with this, what you'll get? 7200. And this would be plus because both of these terms are negative. Now solving this further, this will give you 6 cube and 6 cube is 216. How many zeros will be there? As you can see here, there are 2 zeros already and you are taking the cube. So these two zeros will become 6 zeros. So let's write down 6 zeros minus 8. Here you'll get 216. How many zeros? 4 zeros. 2 zeros. 4 zeros are there in the multiplication. Plus 7200. Now here, what you'll do? Let's add both of these values and then add both of these values and subtract this in this expression. You'll get, first of all, add. This will give you this. Minus, add this, you'll get this. So to get the value for this, what you'll do? You'll subtract, and after subtraction, what you'll be getting? This will be your result. So 598 cube, value for 598 cube will be this. I hope there should be no doubt here. Now let's take second problem, which is 93 cube minus 107 whole cube. So what you will do in this expression? Let's make use of identity. To make use of identity, first you will have to make this form in a identity form. You can write this as this and you can write this 107 as this. I hope there should be no doubt. 100 minus 7 will give you 93. 100 plus 7 will give you 107. Now you will apply the identity here, a minus b whole cube, and in this a plus b whole cube. You will get, and open these brackets. All these plus signs under the bracket will become negative. Okay. Now let's solve this further. You can see here, first of all, before proceeding further, you can see here this is positive 100 cube and this is negative 100 cube. These two going to get cancelled out. Here this is minus 7 cube and this is minus 7 cube. So these two will get add and you'll get 2 twice of 7 cube minus. Now let's solve this. This will become this. Now let's solve this. Minus 7 into 2400. 2100. Now here, this is plus 7 into 2100 and this is negative 7 into 2100. These two are going to get subtracted. This is minus 2.1 lakh and this is also minus 2.1 lakh. So here these two are going to get add and you'll get this. Now let's solve this further. This will give you 4.2 lakh. Now what you need to do? You need to add these two values. So result will be minus 420686. You can see here this is 93 cube and this is 107 cube. Of course 107 is greater than 93. When you subtract bigger value from the smaller value, you will always get negative value. That's why your result is negative. Tell me, when you subtract 7 from 12, you will get minus 5. So of course here you are subtracting bigger value from the smaller value. That's why you are getting your result in negative sign. I hope there should be no doubt here. I will be taking more problems in the next video lecture. Thank you.